If you're in need of a reliable and spacious outdoor storage solution, look no further than this Rubbermaid resin outdoor storage shed. So we value functionality, durability. As you can see, we've got this under our garage, but it's also kind of tucked under here where we can use it for great organization. The interior is very spacious. You can access your belongings very easily, and that keeps our outdoor space clutter-free and organized. One of the standout features is that it's weather resistant. Now we do have it under sort of a decking slash garage area, but if you wanted to have it outdoor in the elements, which we have in the past, that would not be a problem. It's made from a durable resin material, so it's built to withstand the elements year round. It gives off a reliable protection against rain, wind, snow, and UV rays. I like the simple gray color. I like that color scheme. I feel like if you did have it sitting out in a backyard or a garden area, that it would look very nice. It is very easy to assemble. It's got pre-cut panels. You just need a few basic tools, and you definitely do need someone to help you. It's not a one-person job, but in conclusion, I would highly recommend this shed. It's a versatile and reliable solution for any outdoor storage needs.